In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the proper function in Microsoft Excel 2016. So the proper function capitalizes the first letter in each word in a text string. So our syntax, all you got to do is type equals proper, and then in parentheses assign the cell that you want to grab the text from, and it will display it by capitalizing the first letter of each word. So let's go over to our spreadsheet. So I'm using the spreadsheet that I've been using in the last several videos. So for this one, I'm going to go down to A11, and this spreadsheet is the Fabricam alarm codes spreadsheet. So I'm going to A11, and I'm going to type first. Then I'm going to type last in B11. And then in C11, I'm going to type birthday. Now I'm going to take these, I'm going to select these three cells. I'm going to go to my Home tab. In my Styles group, let's give it a little bit of a heading. So we're going to click Heading 3. And we can move this back a little bit if we want to. But in A12, we want to go to the Formulas bar, or Formulas ribbon. And we want to go to Text. And we're going to go down to, see if we can find Proper. Here's Proper. And what text are we using? We're using B2. This is the first name. So if you notice up here, our first and last names are not capitalized. So we're going to correct that. And then our last name, we're going to go to Recently Used, Proper. And what text are we going to use? We're going to use SP last or C2. Click OK. And then our birthday, we're going to use in my C12, I'm going to use Recently Used, Proper, and that is going to be our birthday, J2. Click OK. And we can actually move these down through so Ryan, yeah, Ryan's the last one, so we don't really need that part. And delete those. And then we can take this one, bring it down, and birthday, bring it down. So we now have their first names capitalized, their last names capitalized, and the birthday month capitalized. So that's how you use the proper function in Excel 2016. So I'm going to save my file, and that's it.